Hi guys, it's Klein here, and in today's video I'll be doing some maintenance pruning on this Chinese elm. So let's get started. I last pruned this tree in the middle of August, just before it started to push out new leaves. So all this growth is basically new growth since middle of August. And the first thing I'm going to do is just shortening it all back to the basic profile of the tree. Now we can see the top is starting to get into the correct shape. So the best time to do maintenance pruning is if you wait until your spring growth has hardened up a little bit, then you can start doing your spring maintenance pruning. Also, for these long shoots I apply directional pruning, so I prune it wherever a leaf comes out in the direction that I want the new branch in. Also, the tighter you prune the Chinese elm, the smaller the leaves will become and the denser the branches, and that will create a really nice silhouette during winter when it loses all its leaves. What I want to do is create a pad over here, so any branch sticking upwards, growing upwards, I'm going to take out completely, so that it will create a pad instead of branches growing into the top canopy. Same with this side. is the back branch, and there's two back branches that I want to create into canopy. Now I can start to see some separation between the main canopy and then the branches. Let's have a look at the back of the tree now. So this I want to separate a little bit more as well. Anything growing directly downwards, I'm gonna take off. So now I'm done with the pruning. I've just took back all the overgrown branches that were grown from middle of August when I last pruned it until now. So just established some pads again, and yeah, I think it will grow out really nicely now in the summer. And then these cuttings, the ones that are a bit hardened off, you can just take off the lower leaves like so, and then stick this in the ground in some soil, and then leave it in the shade. Mist it regularly and keep the soil moist. Then these cuttings will root in no time. So I took off a handful of overgrown branches, not really too many, but also it's not a little. Yeah, so now we'll just leave this tree to grow wild again during summer, and once all the leaves drop, it depends on how vigorous this tree is, I might have to prune it back once more, maybe twice more in summer before it loses all its leaves in autumn, well, during winter. So this tree only lost all its leaves late winter actually, because we have such mild winters, but it did drop all its leaves. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, cheers.